Removing the background of a photo just got so much easier thanks to Canva's new background remover feature. Now, this is a Canva Pro feature, but even if you don't have Canva Pro, stick around. This is going to be a short video, and it may just be the thing that makes you want to sign up for Canva Pro today. Hey there, I am Danielle, a Canva certified creative, and I bring you all the latest and greatest with Canva along with graphic design and business tips. And why, yes, that is a sleeping dog in the background. So before we head over to Canva, if you like this video, please give it a like, a thumbs up, all the things, wherever you're catching this at. And that way it lets me know what kind of content to keep creating for you guys. All right, I'll see you in Canva. Okay, I'm here and you can see I pulled in one of the templates from my shop and I have a photo, and this photo originally had a background. So I'm gonna delete her out. So here was that original photo I had. So now I am just gonna come right up to Effects, and up here at the top I have Background Remover. It's gonna do its thing and remove that background. Images like these are popular in ads, YouTube covers, things like that. And I'm going to show you a couple more things in just a minute to have fun with them once it does its thing. It does take a minute, but there you go. There is our lady without the background. Now I'm going to delete her because you may think, yeah, that was a simple photo to do, Kate. It was a one color background. I've got one in here that I tried it on and I was super impressed that it worked. If I can find it, here we go. This one of my daughter in this little cat setting. You can see all of this busy background. So I'm gonna come do it again. Now, I recommend you doing this with photos of yourself or your clients if you're designing this for a client, because nothing is as recognizable as a face. Faces are super recognizable, especially if you're creating Facebook ads and video covers and things like that. And voila, there is my daughter and the cute cat. Let's see if we can zoom in and check this out. You can see it got rid of all of those other cats around her, and it kept her and just this big one. Now, if I didn't want to keep the cat, I can actually just crop in and get just her. So it is as simple as that, you guys. Now I'm going to zoom back out. And I'm going to come over here. We've got some other things that you could do here. If you wanted to layer this, maybe I wanted to put some fun colors behind her. So I'm going to duplicate it. And I've got this duotone. You may have to look for it down here if you don't see it up here. Or you can come into color mix. Let's go with color mix. And I'm going to click see all. And actually, let's go back and check out the duotone ones. Yes, this gives me lots more. So maybe I want to kind of do it with this pink color. Okay, and now I'm just going to take it, come up to position, and send it behind there. And you could keep layering this, so I could duplicate it again and maybe do a different color. Let's try this one. And these don't necessarily match our template here, but this is just to show you some fun stuff you could do. I'm going to send that one backwards. It's getting a little sticky with sending them backwards. I'm going to close out the effects and come back. There we go, now it's going. It takes it a second to catch up when you're applying those filters. But you can definitely use your arrow keys at this point to kind of play around with how you do these. And just so you can kind of see that in its full glory, I'm going to put it on just a white background. Copied and paste all three of those layers in. And guys, that is it. How easy is that? Now, there's no brushes or anything like that to mess with. You just hit that button and background gone, and you saw it work even on the busiest background. Now, it does need to be a single person image, or, you know, like Allie and the cat, you have to want both things in it, or there has to be a clear area where you could crop. I was able to crop in on just her. But so super simple. So if you want to try that out, I'm going to have a link below where you can get a trial of Canva Pro and see how you can use this background remover in your ads. You no longer need other platforms to do it. No more Photoshop. No more going and finding another application somewhere else to then bring it into Canva. It's all right there in one place. All right, guys, that is it. Like I said, super simple. All I had to show you was to click a button. I'm Danielle, and until next time, think like a boss, play like a mom.